I am your guide for today, and we will be discovering birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Lynn.
Hello everyone!
Hello!
Hi! Now I am a birder, so I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. So I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, Lydia is very passionate, but a bit crazy.
You've been crazy for birds, right?
Ah yes, that will do. Okay, now share with us, how many birds have you seen?
So last year, I saw about 1,000 birds.
Wow.
This year, I would like to break the record and see 3,000 or even more.
Wow, hashtag show off.
Hey, I thought we were friends.
Yes, we still are friends. Okay, come on everyone, let's all begin this journey by seeing some smart, powerful, and truly verbal wing friends. Let's go South America! Let's go! So we will be taking a drive to the port, and then a boat ride to the Tapo Patam River. You might spot the footprints of a jaguar, or even see a red howler. Look around you! Wow! Now you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet right here in the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to Chuchu Macaw Play. And hundreds of birds together every day to meet on play. Now this play is one of the largest of its kind in the world.
Now, in a very short while, we will be joined by Adrian and Ferrari, the snarlet macaws. Now, macaws like that, they can be found in the jungles of South America. Hello there. Now, macaws, they have very large and pointy wings, which means they can eat unripe fruits. Okay, but sometimes the toxins in these fruits, they are not good for the birds, so eating clay helps neutralize the toxins. Okay, now clay also has minerals that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right?
That's right, no upset tummies. So with that, let's give both Adrian and Ferrari a round of applause. Okay, so before that, take up. Come on, you know what to do, right? Climb all the way up to us. Come on. There you go.
Mika,
Yes, please.
I would like to see more birds up
Okay.
close.
Okay.
So let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia.
Everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now, this park is home to birds with over 3,500 birds, over 400 avian species. Go on with it! Lynn,
Yes,
are those enough birds for you?
definitely not. I want to see more birds.
You want to see more birds? Ready? Okay, let's see more birds, shall we? So everyone, let's welcome two of our beautiful feathered friends. So first up, right here, we have Higgins, our green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaws are one of the largest macaws you can find in the world. And Higgins here, he's about 10 years old.
Alright, and shortly we will be joined by a sulfur president of Haiti. So I'm Haiti right now. He's enjoying looking at all of my things. Out here, Kiki, let's go. Okay, I need everyone to remain seated. Thank you very much. Kiki, right here. Come on.
Where is Higgins?
Let's go. Big one. There you go. Good job. Not bad. Now, sulfur crested cockatoos like Katie here, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. So that is how they got their names, the southern crested cockatoos, because of the color of their crest, it's yellow.
So parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. They usually take advantage of tree canopies, just like this one, to build their nests.
That's right. So they use nesting materials like this and then bright leaves, plants, twigs, and even tree bark. Okay, so if the canopy is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge them. So right now, let's watch them do this behavior, shall we? Okay. Come to me.
Begin, come on. Okay, so if you all want to see what's happening on the inside, eyes on the screen. So that is Dickens. That is Kiki. Very cute, right? Come on, Kiki. Time for you to fly back. I should love to sit out there. Come on, Kiki. All the way back home. There you go. And with that, let's give Kiki and Kiki and the wonderful trainer the big round of applause. Thank you. Okay, so everyone, meet Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrots. So before Quincy meeting other sounds, Quincy, how would you like to welcome them? You heard what she said? She said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. We'll do this one more time, okay? Welcome them. Okay, you want to do the sound of the rooster, right? Let's hear another animal sound, shall we? Quincy, show them how you do the cat. That's the silent version of the cat. Cat. That's the cat. Okay, let's move on to a high-tech sound. Show them how you do the telephone. Telephone.
By young families in the wild. So when Quincy and Amigo mimic human sounds, they are actually just doing what other parents do around them.
Alright, so in this case, both Quincy and Amigo's family are our mandai staff.
That's right. Now this time, everyone, let's see Amigo mimic some sound, shall we? Are you ready? Can you say hello? Hello. Oh, say hello. So all of his name is Amigo, right? Well, guess what? He can say his own name as well, so everyone listen to this. What's your name? Amigo! What's your name? Amigo! Amigo! Good job! So Amigo, there's so many of them today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you? So how are you all doing today? Good? Excellent! So not only that, Amigo here also loves to sing and he can sing the birthday song. So this song goes out to those of you celebrating your birthdays this month, okay? Alright Amigo, are you ready? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
She is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in 1,000,000. And what you usually get as a pet will be a bird just like Victor. Hi! Oh, Bye! Alright, so please think twice. Actually, no, think about 100 times before you get yourselves a pet parrot, okay? So with that, let's give for Quincy and Amigo a big round of applause. Thank you.
Now each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold into the pet trade. So Amazonian parrots like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. That is a lifetime commitment. So if you think that they'll make good pets, well, they won't.
So if you want to see all of these beautiful birds, all you have to do, come on down to the bird paradise, right?
That is right. By the way, what's next?
Oh, Lynn, did you know that the Wings of the World presentation is sponsored by Kellogg's?
Really? Kellogg's? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
And that's right, this segment is proudly brought to you by Fruit Loops. And everyone, meet Elmo, our Togo Toucan, Fruit Loops ambassador. So he is going to fly through the giant Fruit Loop. Okay, I'm ready?
Right there, Elmo. Come on. Good job. Now, toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible that they can fly through gaps in the forest, just like a giant Fruit Loop. Okay, Elmo, one more flight back to the top. Let's go.
Over here, come on. There you go. Now let's thank Kellogg's Fruit Loops for sponsoring Wings of the World.
And right now, we are going to meet an iconic species from Asia, the Oriental Pine Hornbill.
Everyone meet Oris, our Oriental Pine Hornbill. Now Oris here has a heartwarming story. He fell out of his nest when he was a chick, and in a while he didn't have survived. But right here at the bird paradise, we nursed him back to health, and he has now a safe, permanent home with us.
That's right. Now, toucans and hornbills, they have two major differences. Toucans can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills can only be found in Asia and Africa. Now, hornbills, they have a distinct feature over their beaks called a cast. It can just be a small ridge or even big and brightly colored.
Anything else, Lynn?
Yes, we have. Yes, I mean their feet. Now, hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. Now, both birds, they are great hoppers, so let's watch them hop. Look at elbow hopping right there. Look at the big cute hop by Horace. Now, their feet gives them the strength and stability to hop up and down branches. What else, Mitra?
Their tongues. Both hornbills and toucans, hornbills, they have shorter tongues, but both birds, they can toss fruits back into their mouths. So I'm going to demonstrate that in Elmo first. Ready? Catch.
Ooh, nice. Okay, how about Oris? Look at that, there you go, that was really fast. Now, both hornbills and toucans, they are angel flyers and they can catch their prey in mid-flight. So right now, we are going to demonstrate just that by starting off with Elmo first.
Ready, Elmo? And count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! Okay, now if you please stand, Oris, it's your turn. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, very good. It's not a great hand. Thank you very much, Oris, our Oriental Pine Hornbill, and Elmo, our Togo Toucan. Now, hornbills, they have a unique nesting behavior in the wild. So they like to nest in tree cavities, just like an nest hole you see up on a tree. So right here at Bird Paradise, you will get to see these loving gesture without leaving your seats. From the smaller oriental kind hornbills, everyone keep your eyes up there. Let's welcome Vicky, the great kind hornbill. Good afternoon, Vicky. Now, great kind hornbills like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia, and they are one of the largest found in this region. Now in Borneo, where these birds can be found, it is believed that if a hornbill flies over an area or a village, you will be blessed with good luck. So in a very short while, Vicky will be inspecting the nest cavity to see if she likes it. Look at there, she goes. Now the female is very fussy about her accommodation. It has to be big, spacious, and has to have a chimney so that she can escape if she needs to. Now the male hornbill will pass her bath and she will mix with fresh foods and even her own droppings.
Looks like everyone's ready. So keep your eyes up there and let's welcome our corneas. This device right here is called a monkey fish. It's made out of roll-sized knots and this knot which give trees for the birds to forage. This allows the birds to express their natural behaviors. Corneas are from South America. Once widespread, they're now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 birds are sold in fair trade. Then the moment people sold, then you are. But corneas are social species, meaning they are the happiest in flocks. So please do not keep them as pets. It looks like our corneas is well known. Let's give them a big round of applause. And with that, let's give Hadira a round of applause for sharing some insights of enrichment for our resident corneas.